Fena na gbọn wa lọ́rọ̀ rieti ba eti nu yera iya riorion ba orion nu yera iya mwetinya osa okoro mi wa me eba gwe ita ase o ara ma we no ma e ma e u eri vio give me we na gbọn ma e ma bi oku where's the egbe oge bi ma e o we mi baba o enu do we mi baba nu do ri o bo ke agba me me de gari e we mi baba o ere ga se o ara ma orobo sa o orobo yo orobo na mure ye me o orobo sa o orobo yo Orobun na mureye me o ege ba gwe itabe gwase wa kan ya ma ege mi ga se ne we boro pa se ti da yi ege mi ga se ne wa se ro pa se ti da yi ege mi ga se ne o do boro pa se ti da yi mo sa ye me o a se ti wo iki mi no sa gbo eko meki if you do work we go na ya mo wa go
Ile wa no.
Ya mo wa go. Oyi ma ya job as a kid dey shy bro. Viewer sharply. On the air. People dey tap. I shock. I don't get past now.
For which one? Are you serious?
1,880,000. Hello my brother. My brother, how about you?
That's massive.
That's massive.
Despite demolition,
hello, Baba.
despite everything,
Baba, now you say me I come Abuja, been
Tony Kabaka is still very much calm, not saddened by any of this. But let it be known that this is oppression. This is oppression, and oppression should be condemned by all well-meaning people of those states. It could be anybody. So, I'm trying to imagine who's next. Who will be the next person Obaseki is going to demolish his building? Who? Because we are getting some fillers already. That very soon they'll be invading Comrade Usakbama, no more less. You know, they'll be invading his own building. So, who will be next after that too? It's so unfortunate that we have such person as a governor for those states. It is so sad. It is sad. It's a sad one. Tony Kabaka is here. He's just trying to express himself the way he can do it. You know, because he cannot be crying. It's just to give God the glory for everything. Thank God we are alive to witness this day. Too sad, so sad. And those people, this is the only thing we can do to condemn the act of Mr. Godwin Obaseki. God bless you all. God bless you all. We'll be coming time to time to inform me of the happenings. Please stay glued. Stay glued and keep sharing the very first video where Tony Kabaka condemned the act. You know, it's so important. Thank you very much.